Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Hotel mattresses are proprietary and specially made for the hotel, which is why they're so good. Experts say it's because there's more to a good night's rest than a mattress. Sheets, blankets and pillows also are important. And having a quiet and uncluttered room counts for something as well.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
But why are hotel mattresses so comfortable? In short, because hotels spend a lot of time studying their beds and perfecting the sleep experience they can offer guests. Hotel chains can spend more than a year studying mattresses, studying what works and what doesn't work for their guests.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Hotels invest in high-quality mattresses because they know this is fundamental to the bedroom experience. Most hotel mattresses are inner spring and thicker, coupled with a box spring, for a traditionally plush and luxurious feel. If you've had your mattress for more than 7 years, it's likely time for a new one.
Take our lead.
3 to 5 years. A high-quality hotel with strong occupancy figures will most likely toss its mattresses every 3 to 5 years. For one lower down the ladder, with a management looking to squeeze every angle to save money, the answer might be closer to 10.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Hotel rooms are well equipped for quality sleep. Many hotel rooms are fitted with air conditioning, and it's been proven that rooms at a cooler temperature can help you fall asleep quicker and wake up feeling more refreshed.
Take our lead.
You may have noticed that even comforters seem luxurious when you're using them in a hotel room. That's mostly because hotels opt for comforters rich with down fill, or down alternative that's super puffy and feels extremely comfortable.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.